Hey guys, welcome to another devlog. Alright, so I did quite a bit of stuff. I did hundreds of lines of code. I did stuff for item declarations. Um, so that thing I was showing you guys where you have an item ID and then you can add parameters to it like a color tint or a new title, description, or enhancements. So yeah, I added that all into the game and I'll show you guys real quick what stuff looks like. Alright, so it looks pretty much like it was before, but what's cool is what's happening behind the scenes. So, as you can see right now, the shirt is purple, and I'm going to pass over this red line, and you can see the red line through the shirt, right? That's because it has a little transparent value that I declared on the player shirt variable on the server. So, if I log out, I'll show you guys the player file. So this is this player file for the player I was logged in as before. Has all the information. I showed you guys this in the earlier devlogs. And this section is for the default wearables. So what these are is the default clothes you start off the game with, and your hairstyle and your skin color and all that stuff. And if you don't have any armor over it or anything like that, then it's going to show these different things. So I don't remember by heart which is which. I think the first is the legs, and then this is the hands. This is the body and the arms. I think this is the head, the hair. No, the eyes, the mask, and the hat. That's what it was. The hat and the hair is here. So this is the body. So this color is like that purple color I was showing you. So this is RGB, and then if you want, you don't have to, but you could put an A value also. So the A value is 200. That's why it was kind of transparent, but we can make it even more transparent. And let's change the color a little bit. So since it's RGB, it can't be higher than 250. So we'll make like a more reddish color. Actually, let's add some more green so it'll make it yellower. There you go, that looks cool. Save it. Close the file. Alright, let's log back in. And there you go. See, so it's like orange and it's even more transparent than before. Alright, so that's how that works. I added stuff so that AI entities can start moving around. So theoretically, this sign, I can actually assign AI to it to make it move around randomly or do whatever. Or soon when I add enemies, they'll be able to move around randomly too. A whole bunch of stuff. I just added a whole lot of code for a bunch of different stuff that are going to be more used in the future. I wasn't really planning on doing them this update, but with all the item stuff, it was kind of tied in together. So they went well together, and I kind of had to do it to do the item stuff. It's hard to explain. This is not a coding tutorial or anything, so I won't really explain exactly why it does that. But yeah, it does. So this is the item declaration. So as you saw in the player file before, when I was declaring the shirt with the color and stuff, this is actually the code that tells you what is special with the item. So for people who like coding, this method returns an item from inputting a string item declaration. So I'll just pass through it if someone's interested in looking. Alright, and this one, you get the item declaration from passing the item in. So you can actually get the string code and then send it back to the server to be saved or whatever. And this just checks if it's valid. So just say somebody inputs something wrong, like the color value is too high or something, or just something's not good, like they have some sort of random parameter that's like p equals or whatever, and it has nothing to do with it. it'll return it as null. But most things it'll catch. Actually, I think it catches those two examples I just said. But some other things that are just glitchy, it won't catch them. Like out of bounds item ID or something like that. Alright, that's basically it. I added multiplayer animation. I think I just mentioned that before. But it's kind of buggy right now, so sorry guys, I can't really show it to you. But I will end off the video now, and I'll show you my to-do list. I have a lot of stuff I want to do before the update comes out, but they're really small things. I think the update should be out in maybe 2 weeks. I guess we'll see. It depends on how good I am at doing the player sprites and also the player creation menu itself, where you actually select your hair color and all that stuff. That might take a little bit of time. I want to really make it look nice right off the bat, so I don't have to change it in the future, well, at least not the near future. Anyway, so that's my to-do list. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. If you want to see the to-do list and read through it, just pause the video right now, and I'm signing off. See you guys later. Bye.